It is hard to precisely correlate Korean pronunciation with English pronunciation. The English pronunciation may mimic the sound, but with less than 100% precision. Let me read each word. 자, 자, 차, 차. Can you catch the difference? Here, 자 is slightly different from 자, and 차 is slightly different from 차. You need to touch the mouth palate for 자 and 차 sounds. And for 차 sound, you give out more air out of your mouth than 차. Can you tell the difference? 자, 차, 자, 차, 자, 차, 자, 차. Then, let's practice few words. 자동차, 자동차, 자전거, 자전거, 주차장, 주차장. I hope it was helpful. 고맙습니다.